Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Microsoft account credentials and that your HP laptop is online. This prevents lockouts. Once done, open the Outlook desktop app or navigate to Outlook. Com in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account that's linked to Outlook. If Windows asked for a PIN, enter it now so Outlook can sync. You'll need access to account security settings, so keep your phone handy for verification codes and proceed directly to the account settings area. You'll now navigate to account security to change the password. In the Outlook desktop app, go to File, Account Settings, and click Manage Microsoft Account or Open Account. Microsoft. Com in your browser and sign in. Next, select Security, then Password Security or the Change Password option. When prompted, verify your identity with the phone, email code, or authenticator app so Microsoft confirms it's you. Once verified, you can create a new strong password and follow the on-screen rules to save it securely. After changing the Microsoft password, update stored credentials on your HP laptop so Outlook can reconnect. In Outlook, go to File, Account Settings, select your account, and update the password or remove and re-add the account if sync fails. Restart Outlook and wait for full sync, then send a test email to confirm outgoing and incoming flow. If something goes wrong, rerun identity verification at Account. Microsoft. Com. Clear Windows Credential Manager entries for Outlook, or re-add the account to resolve lingering authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.